Hey, do you know that by outsourcing your accounting and tax services, you may save over 70% of your business costs? By delegating these tasks, you can enjoy cost savings, streamlined operations, and more time for crucial work. Outsourcing to India offers quick turnaround times and hassle-free operations, allowing our clients to streamline their businesses even further. Meru Accounting offers accounting, bookkeeping, and tax services to enrolled agents, CPAs, business owners, and tax practitioners with over 7 years of experience. We are expert in all the tax return preparation and accounting methods. Our mission is to provide services that will save your time and increase the productivity of your business. We actually live up to what we say. We set out to provide a 4x return on investment for our clients when we begin working. We have worked with clients across a wide range of industries, and we are confident that we have the experience and expertise to serve businesses in your industry. We have great experience in different tax return services and worked with a variety of software. You choose the software you prefer, and will ensure accuracy and efficiency. We have designed our own work methodology. Firstly, you need to submit last year's tax return and organizer using software such as TaxDome, Canopy Tax, or ShareFile. Then, our tax preparers process the documents in accounting software and prepare tax adjustments and capital gains in Excel. We provide around 5 tax returns per day and offer a detailed dashboard for your review. After you review the return, we update any missing documents and provide you with the final preparation for filing. We keep you updated through detailed standardized emails. Our team uses a task management system to track all tasks and deadlines. We gather a detailed understanding of your project's requirements through checklists and prepare a list of required documents from you. You can see here the awards and certificates we have received. We are Gold Champion Partner with Xero and QuickBooks Certified Pro Advisor. We take data security and confidentiality very seriously and have made significant investments to ensure the protection of our clients' information. Meet our success team, dedicated to ensuring that your work is handled smoothly. To ensure efficiency and quality, we assign a team of 2 professionals to handle your work, so you can be assured that none of your work will be compromised. We offer expert accounting services that save you time and money. Our qualified accountants use the latest technology for efficient, error-free work with quick turnaround times. With our cost-effective solutions, you can focus on growing your business while we handle tax return preparation and other daunting tasks. Let's work together and build a long-term relationship. Thank you.